Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just...
Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, according to when you see this video. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So guys, guess what? Today this video is all about taking you guys along to my daily vlog as a wife and a mom, the mother of 3 living in Germany. So stay tuned and hope you enjoy watching this.
We're gonna be 2 hearts running wild.
It's so windy, as you can see. I'm almost close to where I walk. Let me show you. In the garden where I walk, it's very windy. My hand is frozen. This is the kindergarten where I walk. This is where I walk. It's very cold. Very windy. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen.
A few hours later.
Okay, tschüss und schönes Wochenende. Bye.
Wo bin ich gefahren? Also ich möchte nach...
Pick Lucy, then from Lucy to Sophia. Then I can pick them.
Okay. Okay. Then it was the Yeah, hello? Ja, bitte? Huh?
Not so dark. Everywhere just jet. So my lovelies, let me gist with you guys. It's Friday and my husband came to pick me at work because he usually closes on time. At this moment, we want to do our weekend shopping, at the same time return our water bottles to get some refunds. Okay guys. Also, it's a bad weather. Like, I must confess, this weather is not favorable at all. The weather is raining and also windy. Like, it's not a good weather. Yes. So right now we just entered inside Lidl to shop. Okay guys, keep watching. Hope you enjoyed watching this vlog as much as I enjoy filming it for you. And before I forget, if you are new to my channel, hello, let's be friends. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So you know what to do. Can we be friends? Click that sign that says subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos. I normally upload videos on weekly basis. And to my OG returning subscribers, I see you. God bless you guys for always tuning in. So guys, we are done with our shopping. So guys, at this stage we are just packing all the things we have bought from Middle inside the boots. So guys, from here right now we are heading straight to our children's school to pick them from school. Okay guys, so keep watching, and I also hope you enjoyed watching this vlog as much as I do filming it for you guys. So continue watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts at the comment section down below. You for hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Bate up. So. Bate, each hefe there. Bate, here, cook madam, papa is here. 9, viemos abholen. Go. What side? You want to sit there? So take. Hallo, guten Tag. Ich musste meine Kinder abholen. Ja, ein schönes Wochenende. Danke. Good afternoon. Why did it took you people so long to come out? Why are you keeping me outside? Can't you see that it's cold? So, Daddy is here. Go to the car park side. Here. Oh, God. You must hold your bag first.
Now, don't drop me. No.
I'm telling you, so windy. Then you go lock them. There you go. So my lovelies, at this moment I and my husband are making dinner. The weather is very cold, so we need something warm to cool off the weather after a hard day, you know. So as you can see, I'm peeling off the yam to make some better pepper soup. Oh my goodness, like better fish, catfish pepper soup. You don't want to miss it, so continue watching.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for